The National Society of Black Engineers Pre-College Initiative program's mission is to increase the number of culturally responsible Black engineers who excel academically, succeed professionally, and positively impact the community. The NSBE focus is to create NSBE PCI program as an incubator for our youth, where they can receive nurturing and training in pre-engineering and their math studies. I'd like to introduce you to one of our volunteers.
Hello, my name is Will Dunford. I'm one of the assistant principals here at Pittsburg High School. This is my 4th year here as assistant principal. And just about 4 years ago, I met Ms. Wilson, who introduced me to NSBE Junior. I was familiar with NSBE, became familiar with NSBE back in college when I was an engineering major before I just became an education major. And so I'm very familiar with NSBE, and I became more familiar with the NSBE Junior program, and I was willing to volunteer in any way I can. Being an advocate for students here at the high school. Oh wow, we probably want to redo that, huh?
That's okay, go ahead.
So being an advocate for students here at the high school, as an educator and as an academic mentor for several other organizations, it was inevitable that her and my path would cross. And so I continue to do whatever I can. I do have a pretty heavy load to bear right now. I'm working on my doctorate at the University of California, Berkeley, and so I expect to be finished with that in the next couple of years. So in the meantime, I'm lending my efforts to her and trying to be a resource for her in her program.
Thanks, Will. And as you will see, as I've been running this video, these are projects that NSBE has worked on going back to when we first started in 2005. And I'm going kind of fast because there's quite a few boards. We enter science fairs. We are part of the first Lego League project, and we have other programs that I can't show you all of them now, but currently this is our polo shirt that our students wear to meetings and also to events to be recognized. Thank you, and I hope we get the grant.